Hi everyone, welcome to Security System Story. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to address a access control controller. So here are the dip switches where we address the controller. As you can see, they go from 1 through 8, but we only use the 5 first ones. Why? Because with 5 dip switches we can get 32 addresses, and on access control we have on each loop of controllers we can have 32 controllers. So as you can see, the dip switches can have two positions, off and on. When the dip switch is on the off position, the value it takes is the 0, so we're gonna ignore it. And when it is in the on position, the value is as follow. So here, so the first one, its value is 1, the second, its value is 2, the third 4, the fourth 8, and the fifth is 16. And the address of the controller is the addition of all those values. So let's say, for example, we want to have address 5. So 5, it's 4 plus 1. It means that the address, it means that the dip switch 1 should be on the on position, like this. And the third should be like that also. So 1 plus 4 is 5. So 1 and 4, when they are at on position, the address is 5. So let's say address 16. Address 16 is very easy. So the fifth dip switch is on, so the value is 16. All the others should be to off, like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth should be at on. Let's say 20. 20, it's 16 plus 4. So the fifth should be at on, and the third should be at on as well. Let's say 15. 15 is 8 plus 4, which is 12, plus 2, which is 14, plus 1, and that's how we have 15. So the fourth one, 8, the third one, 4, so we have 12, and the second one, so we have 14, and the first one. So let's say we want to have 10. 10 is 8 plus 2, so the fourth should be at on. We have 8, and the second should be at on, which is 8 plus 2 equals 10. So that's how we address the access control panels with dip switches. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm gonna put on my website securitysystemstory.com a Excel sheet where you can get the addresses. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.